Welcome to another video of Clinical Biochemistry Unit 4. Let's start. First video. Definition of enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts that speed up biochemical reactions by lowering the activation energy required for a reaction to occur. They are primarily proteins, though some RNA molecules, ribozymes, can also have catalytic activity. Classification of enzymes. Enzymes are classified by the International Union of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology, IUBM, into 6 major classes. 1. Oxidoreductases catalyze oxidation-reduction reactions, e.g., dehydrogenases, oxidases. 2. Transferases transfer functional groups from one molecule to another, e.g., kinases, transaminases. 3. Hydrolases catalyze hydrolysis reactions by breaking bonds using water, e.g., proteases, lipases. 4. Lyases catalyze the removal or addition of groups to form double bonds, e.g., decarboxylases. 5. Isomerases catalyze the rearrangement of atoms within a molecule, e.g., racemases, epimerases. 6. Ligases catalyze the joining of two molecules with ADP hydrolysis, e.g., DNA ligase. Properties of enzymes. 1. Catalytic efficiency. Enzymes increase the rate of reactions by factors of 10 to 10 superscript 1 superscript 2. 2. Specificity. Each enzyme acts on a specific substrate. 3. Reversibility. Some enzyme-catalyzed reactions are reversible. 4. Active site. The region where the substrate binds and undergoes a chemical reaction. 5. Temperature sensitivity. Most enzymes function optimally at 35–40 degrees C. 6. pH sensitivity. Each enzyme has an optimal pH range. 7. Cofactor requirements. Some enzymes require cofactors, metal ions like Mg superscript 2, Zn superscript 2, or coenzymes like NAD. Units of enzyme activity. 1. International unit, IU, the amount of enzyme that catalyzes the conversion of 1 micromole, mole, of substrate per minute under optimal conditions. 2. Cotl, cot, the SI unit, defined as the amount of enzyme that converts 1 mole of substrate per second. Common units include specific activity IU per mg of protein, molecular activity number of substrate molecules converted per unit time per enzyme molecule, enzyme reaction and enzyme-substrate reactions. 1. Lock and key model. The enzyme's active site is a perfect fit for the substrate. 2. Induced fit model. The enzyme undergoes conformational changes upon substrate binding. Michaelis-Menten equation. The enzyme reaction follows Michaelis-Menten kinetics. V equals V dot max, S, slash Km plus, S. Where V is the reaction velocity. Vmax Vmax is the maximum reaction velocity. Km is the substrate concentration at half Vmax. Effects of various factors on enzyme activity. 1. Substrate concentration increases activity up to saturation. 2. Temperature. Extreme temperatures denature enzymes. 3. pH. Each enzyme has an optimal pH range. 4. Inhibitors can be competitive, bind to active site, or non-competitive, bind to allosteric site. 5. Cofactors and coenzymes essential for enzyme activation. 6. Enzyme concentration. More enzymes increase reaction rate. Plasma proteins and their abnormalities. Types of plasma proteins. 1. Albumin maintains oncotic pressure and transports substances. 2. Globulins include alpha, beta, and gamma globulins, involved in immunity. 3. Fibrinogen essential for blood clotting. Plasma protein abnormalities. 1. Hypoproteinemia. Low plasma protein levels due to liver disease, malnutrition, or kidney disorders. 2. Hyperproteinemia. High plasma protein levels in dehydration or multiple myeloma. 3. Dysproteinemia. Abnormal protein proportions, as seen in autoimmune diseases. MCQs. Hard questions. 1. Which of the following statements about the catalytic mechanism of chymotrypsin is false? A. It involves a catalytic triad of SIR, His, and ASP. B. The reaction follows a covalent catalysis mechanism. C. The enzyme forms an acyl enzyme intermediate. D. The substrate binds irreversibly to the enzyme. Answer: D. The substrate binds irreversibly to the enzyme. 2. Which type of enzyme inhibition follows the equation V equals Vmax Skm plus S, 1 plus I key, V equals Vmax Skm plus S, 1 plus I key V equals Km plus S, 1 plus key I, Vmax S? A. Competitive inhibition. B. Non-competitive inhibition. C. Uncompetitive inhibition. D. Mixed inhibition. Answer: C. 3. A mutant enzyme has a decreased Km but the same Vmax V/max Vmax. What can be inferred? A. The enzyme binds the substrate more tightly. B. The enzyme requires more substrate to reach half Vmax V/max Vmax. C. The enzyme's catalytic efficiency is reduced. D. The enzyme follows first-order kinetics. Answer: A. 4. Which of the following correctly describes the effect of a suicide inhibitor? A. It competes with the substrate for binding at the active site. B. It binds to the enzyme and is converted into a reactive intermediate. C. It decreases Km and increases Vmax V/max Vmax. D. It acts as a reversible inhibitor at low concentrations. Answer: B. 5. In an enzyme-catalyzed reaction, if the turnover number, K or KTK is increased, what happens to the reaction rate? A. It remains unchanged. B. It increases. C. It decreases. D. It depends on substrate concentration. Answer: B. 6. What is the effect of a non-competitive inhibitor on an enzyme-catalyzed reaction? A. It increases Km and decreases Vmax. B. It decreases Km and decreases Vmax. C. It does not change Km but decreases Vmax. D. It decreases Km and increases Vmax. Answer: C. 7. Which of the following best describes the Lineweaver-Burke plot of a competitive inhibitor? A. Increased slope, same y-intercept. B. Increased y-intercept, same x-intercept. C. Increased slope, increased y-intercept. D. No change in slope or intercept. Answer: A. 8. Which type of enzyme catalysis involves covalent bond formation between enzyme and substrate? A. General acid-base catalysis. B. Covalent catalysis. C. Metal ion catalysis. D. Electrostatic catalysis. Answer: B. 9. Which of the following is not an allosteric regulatory mechanism? A. Feedback inhibition. B. Homotropic activation. C. Covalent modification. D. Substrate level phosphorylation. Answer: D. 10. The Hill coefficient, NHN_HNH, for an enzyme substrate binding curve is greater than. What does this indicate? A. The enzyme follows Michaelis-Menten kinetics. B. The enzyme exhibits positive cooperativity. C. The enzyme exhibits negative cooperativity. D. The enzyme is saturated with substrate. Answer: B. 11. The maximum velocity, Vmax, of an enzyme is dependent on A. Substrate concentration. B. Enzyme concentration. C. Temperature. D. Inhibitor concentration. Answer: B. 12. Which type of enzyme inhibition is irreversible? A. Competitive inhibition. B. Mixed inhibition. C. Suicide inhibition. D. Uncompetitive inhibition. Answer: C. 13. A sudden increase in gamma-globulin fraction in plasma electrophoresis suggests A. Hypoalbuminemia. B. Multiple myeloma. C. Nephrotic syndrome. D. Cirrhosis. Answer: B. 14. A patient presents with a decreased albumin to globulin ratio. Which condition is most likely? A. Dehydration. B. Liver disease. C. Hemolytic anemia. D. Hyperlipidemia. Answer, B. 15. In a patient with nephrotic syndrome, which plasma protein is most significantly reduced? A. Albumin. B. Alpha-1 globulin. C. Fibrinogen. D. Immunoglobulins. Answer, A. 16. Which of the following plasma proteins is not synthesized in the liver? A. Albumin. B. Fibrinogen. C. Immunoglobulins. D. Alpha-1 antitrypsin. Answer, C. 17. The half-life of albumin in plasma is approximately A. 1 day. B. 7 days. C. 14 days. D. 20 days. Answer, D. 18. Which enzyme has the highest turnover number, CAT? A. Carbonic anhydrase. B. DNA polymerase. C. Hexokinase. D. Chymotrypsin. Answer, A. 19. A sigmoidal enzyme kinetics curve suggests A. Michaelis-Menten kinetics. B. Cooperative binding. C. Competitive inhibition. D. Irreversible inhibition. Answer, B. 20. In competitive inhibition, the inhibitor binds to A. Active site. B. Allosteric site. C. Transition state complex. D. Enzyme substrate complex. Answer, A. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Also subscribe the channel if you are new here, then hit the bell icon for latest update. Thank you. Stay tuned for next video.